Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer WordPress from managed hosting to AWS EC2 detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your managed hosting provider's control panel. Locate the WordPress installation that you want to transfer. Create a full backup of your WordPress website, including the database and files. Download the backup files to your local computer. Next, log into your AWS Management Console. Search for and select EC2 from the Services menu. Launch a new EC2 instance by clicking on the Launch Instance button. Choose an Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, that supports WordPress, such as a Linux-based option. Select the instance type based on your expected traffic and resource requirements. Configure your instance settings, including network options and storage configurations. Ensure you configure the security group to allow HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH traffic. Review your instance settings and launch the instance. Once the instance is running, connect to it via SSH using your terminal or an SSH client. Install necessary software packages such as Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Set up a MySQL database for your WordPress site on the EC2 instance. Import the database backup that you previously created from your managed hosting environment. Download and unzip your WordPress files onto the EC2 instance. Adjust the configuration file, wp-config.php, to match your new database settings. Set appropriate permissions for the WordPress files and directories. Update the site URL in the WordPress database to reflect your new EC2 instance's public IP or domain name. Test your site by entering the IP address or domain in your web browser. Check that all functionality works as intended, including themes and plugins. If everything functions properly, proceed to set up a domain name pointing to your EC2 instance. Finally, consider implementing additional security measures, such as enabling HTTPS with an SSL certificate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.